So let's say that you just bought yourself a Q60, and let me see. Complain about the transmission perhaps, you could maybe complain about maybe some scuffed up front bumper, or potentially some worn tires that the previous owner just never replaced. But you're probably also going to complain about how quiet this car is. And well, that's why we're here to talk today, because the folks over here at the R&D department at MAPerformance have come up with a nice muffler delete Axle-Back system that you could install on your Q60 for a low price and a whole lot of nice. Dalen, take it away. Tell them about this system.
So if there's one thing we hate, it's mufflers. Trash can. So what we have here is our rear muffler deletes for the Q60 2016 plus VR30 cars. So we all understand that when you get these cars, they're kind of a more luxury branded car, so it's targeted for quiet, comfort. We don't want none of that. So what we did is we wanted a cost-effective option to kind of spunk it up a little bit, a little more noise, feel the car a little bit more, kind of feel one with the car again. But we also understand that our catbacks can be a little bit more expensive for somebody. Just, you gotta deal with a car payment, you gotta deal with everything else that life throws at your way, but you want the car to be louder. These are gonna be a direct bolt-on, multiple tip options, 304 stainless, just like our full catback is gonna be, but a much lower cost and a very easy swap that you can do in your driveway. Probably an hour or two with your friends. Maybe do some other stuff at the same time. You know, we don't provide that, but you know, whatever. These are gonna bolt right on, very minimal tools needed, factory style gaskets, factory style flanges, gonna give you a nice sound that you're gonna be able to drive around, not too loud, not too quiet, but kind of that perfect in between, right at the best price point we can give them to you. Backed by our lifetime warranty, 304 stainless, hand TIG welded right here in Minnesota. High quality product, not a high price.
Okay, you guys, so not pictured here is the gasket and hardware set that you're gonna get with these. Obviously, again, we want everything to seal up so you don't have any exhaust leaks once you install this product. That's never a good thing. Nobody likes a leaky exhaust. I can't even think of one person who does. So anyways.
Don't want to leaky anything.
Leaky nothing is good.
No leaky.
Anyways, so on to the next thing. Of course, the one thing that, as we've covered before, everybody wants to hear when it comes to any sort of exhaust related video is the difference in sound that you're going to experience. So without further ado, let's run the clips. All right, anyways, you guys, that is gonna wrap up our video on the Axle-Back system from MAPerformance for the Q60 platform. Now, of course, if you're interested in letting us know your thoughts or even purchasing one of these yourself, you can go ahead and check the comments down below or the description. The description and our pinned top comment is going to have a link to the product on our website, or you can just head over to MAPerformance.com or give us a call at 1-888-MAPerformance. However, if you want to leave us a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on the system itself or any other products that you think we should make, go ahead and provide that feedback in the place they allow you to do that on YouTube, which happens to be the comments. Otherwise, leave us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, we'll see you in the next one.